Hey, it's James from All Hail Internal Combustion. Just wanted to give you a quick walk around of the new member of the family. I think this is a 97 Ford Explorer. We picked it up for 600 bucks. It ran, it drove, it starts, it stops. The only thing we've had to do to it so far is plugs and plug wires. We are going to have to do a timing chain on it because we're starting to hear that noise, so we'll take care of it before it gets too bad. But it's just proof you could still pick up somewhat decent vehicles for a decent price. I mean, this is just going to be backup beater family car. But it's got good tires on it. No rust. That was one of the main reasons we said yeah and pulled the trigger on it, because these things are normally rotted out, and this one ain't bad. I think underneath of those side covers is going to be roached, but they all are. But at least you can't see it from the outside, and if we keep the vehicle long enough, we'll fix that. It ain't got no major dents on it. The paint's still pretty good. Front bumper's tweaked a little bit, but you know, can't ask for too much. I was kind of blown away when I popped the hood for the first time, because you figure a car this old with 180,000 miles on it, if I can find the damn hood release. It looks really damn stock under here. Like, everything is where it's supposed to be. We found a couple broken vacuum lines that went to the HVAC system inside the car. We hooked them back up. Air conditioner works, heat works, all that stuff. But this thing isn't all butchered up. The wires ain't hacked. It doesn't have electrical tape and zip ties everywhere. Well, we're going to put the zip ties everywhere because that's how we do. But it's pretty clean under here. Another reason that we went ahead and pulled the trigger. And this has got the 4.0 single overhead cam thing with multiple timing chains. And once we get all the rest of the crap out of the garage, we're just going to have to bite the bullet and get the parts and do a timing chain job on this thing. I hear they're not fun. We'll find that out. But yeah, just wanted to show you all the newest crappy member of the family. You'll be seeing more of this. Like and subscribe. Take it easy.